Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Optimus back. Now, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been up in Missouri for a week, but check it out. Today we'll be unboxing Transformers Studio Series Transformers Devastation Optimus Prime. Coolest figure. Just bought him today. Look at all this cool stuff. Yeah, without further ado, shall we get to the unboxing parts? This figure already feels good on the inside. Where's my scissors at? Here they are. Sorry I haven't been oh, shoot. Gotta be careful. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, chat guys. It's, I've been up in Missouri. Yeah, just, chilling. On a vacation a while. Take a break. Yeah, here we are. Here, we'll take a look at this beauty. Alright, let's get that out and let's free him of his restraints, shall we? Yeah. Oh. See what you gotta do with scissors is be careful with them. Very sharp. I'm sure everybody in my audience knows that by now. Yeah, just one more. And if I could somehow figure out a good spot to cut this figure in, it's right. There we go. There he is, the beautiful Optimus Prime. He has some good articulation. Let's unload this to get his. Oh, there we are. Got his energon axe and his smokestacks. I'm gonna go just plop those on like so. There they are, and here's Optimus's energon axe. Just slide that on in there. And here he is, yup, chat, the figure himself. Yeah, people say they have issues transforming it, but this guy really is something, man. I'm telling you, chat. This figure just has a boatload of cool features. Here, for context here, let me just transform him real quick, because people say this is the difficult part about him, about this figure, is it's hard to transform, but all you really got to do is just look out for certain points. Yeah, it's kind of a little difficult, but yeah, just do that. Come on, there we go. Yeah, see, what I'm trying to do is untab the foot. I'm not using the instruction manual, as y'all see. Not using the manual, because I've seen a YouTube video on how to do it. Yes. This figure, oh my god. I'm trying not to break the figure, because I already just got it. But yeah, sorry for not posting in a while. It's been a while. There we go. There we go. We got that. And now we can tab those there, just like the normal Optimus Prime. Hold on. Let me see something real quick, because this is supposed to be 21 steps. Let me look at the manual real quick to see what the heck I do, because I already got him like half transformed. So I should be on. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take these pieces and connect them. Hold on, just so this makes it easier on me. There we go. Tab those in. And just like the classic Optimus Prime way, we transform them like that. Hold on, Mom! Sorry, my mom's calling me. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Yes, ma'am? Huh? Yes, ma'am? Okay, let me finish this video real quick. Yeah, I'm already back. about that, guys. I had to go take care of something. But yeah, we're almost done transforming him. Then we just pull the grill part out like so. And then in our classical G1 style, yeah. Oh, gotta be careful. Squeeze, make sure his fist go in while I'm not trying to have a breakdown, which is illogical because I never tend to lose my cool. Yeah, hold on. Is it supposed to look like this? There we go. Yeah, and there y'all. Oh. What the? Is it supposed to look like that? Hold on. Nope. Hold on. There we go. There we go, chat. We got him fully transformed. And now, you can put this on the back like this. And there we go. Optimus Transformers. Devastation. Optimus Prime. Oop. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my post for whatever you want to see next.